We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the large stuffed animal hammock corner, Net Toys Hanging Storage Organizer by Mirolam. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The large stuffed animal hammock corner net is designed as a practical and decorative solution for storing stuffed animals, plush toys, blankets, and even small pillows. Constructed from 100% premium cotton, this hammock stands out for its eco-friendly material and traditional handmade macrame rope, which ensures durability and a boho-inspired aesthetic. The hammock is triangular, measuring 41 inches by 41 inches by 55 inches, making it suitable for most room corners and ideal for maximizing vertical space. The expandable net can accommodate a significant number of stuffed animals, which is especially valuable for families with children who have large collections of plush toys. Multiple users have noted that the hammock holds more than expected. With some reporting, it can span up to 60 inches when fully extended, making it a robust storage option for even the most enthusiastic collectors. The cotton material is praised for being soft yet sturdy, providing both a gentle touch for delicate toys and the strength needed to support a considerable load. Many reviewers highlight the hammock's ability to maintain its shape even when filled to capacity, and the thick rope construction is frequently cited as a sign of quality and longevity. The color options, particularly green, are described as true to the product images and versatile enough to match various room themes, from playful children's rooms to more sophisticated boho-inspired spaces. The hammock also doubles as a display piece, allowing children and parents to showcase their favorite stuffed animals while keeping the room organized. This dual function as both storage and decor is a recurring theme in user feedback, with many appreciating the visual appeal and the ability to see all the toys at a glance. Installation is a critical aspect of any wall-mounted organizer, and the Mirolam hammock receives high marks for ease of setup. The package includes all necessary hardware, including screw-in wall hooks, which are preferred over adhesive alternatives for their superior security and stability. Users consistently report that even those who are not particularly handy or are new to DIY projects can install the hammock with minimal effort. The instructions are generally clear, but some users have pointed out that the recommended 8mm drill bit for the wall anchors may be too large, leading to a loose fit. Several reviewers suggest using a 5mm or 6mm drill bit instead for a snugger installation, and recommend checking for wall studs before drilling to ensure optimal placement and safety. The hammock's ability to support a good amount of weight is frequently mentioned, with parents noting that it can hold not only stuffed animals, but also blankets and other lightweight items. This versatility makes it a valuable addition to small apartments or homes where space is at a premium. The hammock helps eliminate floor clutter, freeing up valuable play and living space, while keeping cherished toys accessible and visible. The product's aesthetic appeal is another strong point, with the macrame design fitting seamlessly into boho, minimalist, and contemporary decor styles. Parents and children alike appreciate the way the hammock elevates the look of a room, transforming a practical storage solution into a decorative focal point. The soft, unfinished cotton fabric adds a touch of warmth and texture, making it a welcome addition to nurseries, bedrooms, playrooms, and even balconies. Safety is always a concern when it comes to children's products, and the Mirolam hammock addresses this by providing sturdy hardware and a secure installation method. The screw-in hooks are designed to prevent accidental falls, and the hammock's construction ensures that toys remain safely contained. However, as with any wall-mounted product, proper installation is essential to ensure safety, and users should follow the included instructions carefully, making adjustments as needed based on their specific wall type and layout. Customer service is another area where Mirolam stands out. The brand offers a satisfaction guarantee and maintains a responsive support team, with a commitment to resolving any issues or addressing suggestions within 24 hours. This level of after-sales support is reassuring for buyers and contributes to the product's strong reputation. In terms of value, the large stuffed animal hammock is widely regarded as a worthwhile investment. It offers a practical solution to a common problem managing toy clutter, while also enhancing the overall look of a room. The price point is considered reasonable given the quality of materials, the size of the hammock, and the included hardware. Many reviewers note that the product delivers excellent value for money, especially when compared to alternative storage solutions that may be less durable or less visually appealing. There are a few minor drawbacks to consider. The large size, while beneficial for storage, may not be suitable for very small rooms or spaces with limited corner access. Some users have had to adjust the placement to accommodate windows or other obstacles, and the hammock's width when fully extended can take up more space than anticipated. Additionally, the installation process, while generally straightforward, may require some trial and error with drill bit sizes and anchor placement, particularly in older homes or with unconventional wall materials. Despite these minor issues, the overwhelming majority of users are highly satisfied with their purchase. The hammock's combination of durability, capacity, ease of installation, and decorative appeal makes it a standout choice for families seeking to organize and display their children's stuffed animals. The product's high customer rating, with an average of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 4,000 reviews, reflects its popularity and effectiveness. In summary, the large stuffed animal hammock corner net by Miralam is a thoughtfully designed, high-quality storage solution that meets the needs of both children and parents. Its sturdy cotton construction, generous capacity, and attractive macrame design set it apart from other options on the market. The included hardware and clear instructions make installation accessible to most users, and the product's versatility allows it to be used for a variety of purposes beyond stuffed animal storage. Whether you are looking to declutter a playroom, add a decorative touch to a bedroom, or simply keep cherished toys organized and accessible, this hammock is a reliable and stylish choice. If you have experience with this product, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. Based on extensive user feedback and expert analysis, the large stuffed animal hammock corner net by Miralam is highly recommended for anyone seeking an effective, attractive, and durable storage solution for stuffed animals and more. Its blend of functionality and style makes it a valuable addition to any home, and its strong customer support ensures peace of mind for buyers. For those looking to maximize space, minimize clutter, and enhance their home's decor, this hammock is an excellent investment.